So we are back at the school grounds today. It is Thursday, June 1st, 2023. It's been a very long time since I've been here. Last time I was here was back in December. So yeah, it's definitely been a while since I've been here. So I just wanted to revisit this place. The reason I couldn't come back here is because I think they closed on weekends, so I couldn't come back here for a while. But yeah, here are these units once again. Right here, here's the 2020 Carrier. This thing looks corroded. Scope and scroll. 2025 ton. Hasn't been running. Here's this one. So 2017. It's a 3-ton. Very cold, sweaty. And then here's this one that's not running. If you scroll, I can get around here. Yeah, I'll just go. 2017 3-ton as well. I don't think that's been running. Yeah, here's this one running. That's the one that's running. Yeah, here these ones. There. Let's take a look at the this one. Here. This one that's not running. It's 2011. 3-ton. Copeland scroll. It's a Gentech fan motor. I cut this thing starting up back in December. 2011 3-ton. I don't think that's been running. Yeah, here these ones. Or here's this one. There. Oh, did one of these actually just turn on? No, nothing. No updates. My knee hurts. Yeah, here's. And then here are these ones. These 2009 Carriers right here. I think that one's running. Oh god. Yeah, this one's running. Check fan motor and a Copeland scroll. 2009 5-ton. That's cold. It's not sweaty, but it's cold. It's this one right here. That doesn't look like it's been running. These ones back here. These 3. There's that one running. And then here's this one. This 2021 Carrier running. I've never caught a defrost cycle of this thing before. It's a Copeland Emerson scroll. There's a reversing valve. 2021 and it's a 5-ton. Pretty sure that's all cold. Can't get to it though. I don't think I'll head back. Might head back to these. What? No, I was gonna get the shutdown. No. Then over here, way back here. Just in the process of this waiting time. Yeah. One of those might turn on over there. Alright, so here's this one right here. This really cheap. This Rheem Classic heat pump. It's not running. Right here. This one. There's a ProTech motor. It's Rheem. In 2012, it's a 5-ton RPNO. Can't really fill the line. Oh. I don't know if that's been running. This is 2012 5-ton Rheem. Over here. There it is. Alright, let's check on that York Affinity series. Over here. Oh. And this York is running. Right here. Here it is. Sounds a little bit different. Here's this York running. It is running. Not sure what motor that is, I can't tell. Yeah, it's a York Affinity series. It's from 2014 and it's a 5-ton. It's very cold and sweaty. See the condensation right there dripping out. You can hear the compressor. It's very cold and sweaty. Oh god, Charlie's gonna get all kinds of ticks. Alright, so here's the York Affinity series. Right here. I don't know why it sounds like that. And also, I've never caught this thing defrosting before. Yeah, let's go to that 2018 carrier. And then here's this one right here. I think that's running. Yeah, it's running. Oh god. This is like really bad pollination. This one's like has like really bad corrosion or pollination right here. Right here. It's got an algae scroll. It's a broad ocean fan motor. It's from 2018 and it's a 3.5 ton. It's very cold. And this part is sweaty. Wow, that's a very rusty fan motor. It's only like 5 years old. And this thing was manufactured, it just hit 5 years, and as you can see, it just hit 5 years old. See, June 2018, and since June 2023, just hit 5 years old. So here it is, right here, running. There it is. Alright, let's check back and see what the other ones have been doing, and then I'll get the video over with. Right here. Alright, let's check back to these ones right here. See if any other ones turned on. And nothing. No activity. Still, this one's still running. See if this one turned on. Oh, that's actually cold. I could probably get a start shutdown of this thing. Alright, so yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching, and over and out. There's the revisit to this school grounds that I haven't seen in like 6 months. Alright, so thank you for watching, and over and out.